Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. I have some really exciting news for you. Just a couple weeks ago, I published my first book, The Crate Way. This is a homeowner's guide, a step-by-step guide to a painless remodel. And really, this has been a passion project of mine for actually about a year and a half or so, and it finally came together. I'm super excited about it. Really what it does, it takes my 20 years in the construction industry, and specifically in the home improvement sector, and really kind of takes it into a single 100-page book that walks a customer through the entire remodel process. So it covers things like how to take your idea to action, how to take your scope of work and use it to select a contractor, navigating the permitting and inspection process of a job, timing your job and actually getting through a construction project in a way that's actually very pleasant even in the midst of construction. The book covers all of those things. It's actually for sale right now on Amazon.com. So go to kbcrate.com, scroll down just a little bit, you'll see a link there to Amazon. And I can't wait to share this information with you and anybody else that might benefit from it. Thanks so much for watching.